wall of
Can
snow.
you open it up? Oh wow, I can't really see anything.
There's the blizzard of 2026.
Let's go downstairs and see it.
Okay. Meteorologist says we're in the thick of it. Whiteout conditions, you can't see anything. But I've never seen it where the windows are completely covered by snow all around the house. So you get a little claustrophobic, like you're stuck in the house and you can't get out. And if the power does go out, the meteorologist said don't light candles in the house, because if you have an accident with a candle and your house is on fire, the fire department can't get to you because of the snow. So you gotta use flashlights only.
What's it doing?
Here goes. Oh, some came in. It's snowing inside. Hit the screen, now we can see a little bit out there.
Okay, that one.
In the bottom. Here goes. Poof. Oh, stubborn. There goes.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I got snow.
You can see the window now.
Yeah, good. Have to hurry up and make my coffee while we still have electricity. There are a lot of power outages because of the heavy winds and heavy snow. So I gotta make my coffee, make my breakfast real quick, get some energy so I can shovel and clear the snow later today. It's haunted. How's this door
Don't
open?
close
by
it.
itself?
Do not close it.
Okay, I won't close it. No power.
Oh.
And there it goes. Oh, look at the oven here. We got a little power. Power's back on.
Oh
But it just got interrupted.
Is our toast ready?
Not yet.
How about your coffee?
Coffee machine in the middle of brewing is still brewing. Oh, good.
Oh, good. Okay, Andrew, you better hurry up and have to cook the rice before the powers go out.
I'm hurrying.
Okay. Ay, ay, ay. This is very
There, I finished. Mom,
getting dangerous.
get
Huh?
the scoops.
Okay, good.
Close it now.
I smell something burn.
The toast.
The toast? Oh, okay.
Just at the right time.
Just
Just
the
when
right
the toast
time.
is done, the power goes out.
Okay. What's our son doing?
I don't know. He's taking a nap outside.
Andrew! He's really taking a nap.
Snow White and Sleeping Beauty combined. He's Snow Beauty.
Snow Beauty. That's how you fall? It's hard, huh? Yeah.
It's time to go out into the snow for the first time and do a little bit of shoveling. I gotta check on the air intake and air output for the furnace that's down near the ground. And if it gets covered up with snow, that could be a problem. Then the toxic air will get stuck in the house. Let's go. Open the door. Can you open the door? I doubt it because the snow is down there.
Oh no!
And the door's stuck.
Okay, look.
That's how high it is. All right.
You just cleaned up
Push
yesterday.
hard, love.
Okay, you do it.
Let me, with the muscle, come through.
Don't break the door.
Ugh.
Oh, don't break the door.
Okay. We can't get out of the house. We're stuck.
How about use your feet to hit on the bottom?
Ugh. There we go. Now I can get the shovel out. Okay. I can shovel a bit and free the door.
Okay, I'm gonna hide.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, look at this. Just clear a little space so I can stand. There we go. I can see the ground. Let's get out. Ugh. And now, close the door and shovel out so we can actually open the door. That's where I'm going. The intake valve, the air is over there. Oh, I gotta shovel my way over there first. Catch a snowflake. Okay, I caught about 10 already. This is tough. I gotta hold the camera with my left hand and shovel with my right hand. One-handed shoveling. It's good for the biceps. Don't have to go to the gym today and do any curls or exercises. This is my exercise for the day.
Keep going.
There's Ian in the warm, comfy house, watching her guys out here shoveling and sitting in the snow.
Yep.
What are you sitting for?
No reason.
Made a nice little seat. Is it comfy?
Kinda.
Good. And then over here on the side of the house, you have the intake right over there. Now I gotta hop down here and clear out that area. Ooh, ooh, there are my feet. And this is the gas meter. It's covered with ice and snow. And this is where the vent is. To clear off some snow there and not cover up the vent. All right, we're in good shape. Snow's not gonna reach up to the top there. And there's our air conditioning unit. We're not gonna use air conditioning today, I don't think.
No, we could.
We could? You think it's too hot in the house? We'll cool it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
这个是我们的暖气，然后这边也有一个暖气，所以24小时都是暖气在开着，所以空气非常的干，你的皮肤就很像在干燥的烘干机这样子。Even though we have the humidifier on, but the indoor humidity is still 30%. 然后这个鱼缸的水也是蒸发的特别的快。这里养了4只这个热带鱼，3只都熬不过这个冬天，剩下这个妈妈。然后 Andrew, no school today, right?
Yeah.
And no school tomorrow, right? So when there is a snowstorm, there's no school. 所以我们昨天已经出去外面去超市买一些吃的。You need help for grocery?
I got it.
You sure?
The bag doesn't rip.
Still heavy.
Not that one. This one. Okay. There you go. Nice and easy.
Thank you.
Yeah, what a lovely, easy life you have.
Sorry, I'm blocking your way.
Don't worry, groceries aren't that heavy. Take your time.
我们在超市买了很多食物回来守着，所以冰箱是满满的哦。然后这边也是满满的哦。因为刮暴风雪啊，出不到去，所以这里的生活呢是没有什么娱乐，尤其是在冬天，就只有吃、睡、看戏。但是如果没有电来，我们就没有的看戏，就要很担心要怎么取暖。还好我们有一个这个叫 fireplace， 现在这个 fireplace 前面都是Andrew的玩具，不过我们还有一个 backup， 就是有一个发电机，所以我们已经有了2桶的油。
The generator's out here, but you can't see it because it's under the snow, so I got to clear it. It's under an inflatable pool, and it's being held down by the table, so it didn't blow away before the snow held it down. And then we plug it in through the basement door, and so we got to clear that as well. All right, I got some work to do. Gotta follow my own footprints through here.
How was it?
I got some of it done. I hope we don't lose power because then I have to go out and finish the job and uncover the generator and plug it in, and that's going to be even more work. But I need a break. I'm gonna get some water. Because even though it's very cold out there, you're shoveling a lot and you start sweating. And you got lots of layers on. I got the Boston sweatshirt. And then I got another shirt.
You don't have to show that.
You can't see my ugly body. It's covered up, don't worry. But yeah, it's wild out there.
Yeah?
I'm worried some of the trees might be coming down in the backyard because it's blowing so hard.
Is it same as the TV, just like that?
Yeah, Andrew went and got his swimming goggles so he could see, but I don't have goggles, so I just have to close my eyes when the wind gets too strong and just endure it for a few seconds until the wind dies down and then keep shoveling. Oh, no thank you. You enjoy.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Nice, huh?
Amazing.
Oi! Hiya! I'm going out again.
Time for round 2. Let's go shovel some more. Can we get the door open? Oh yeah, it's a little easier this time because we shoveled before. Thank goodness, but it's about the same as it was. It's all filled back in. So we got to clear a spot. Then can go out and shovel some more. Bye.
Wait. Can you show them outside?
Here's the walkway I shoveled before. Needs to be done again. And I haven't done anything out there.
Our chair is burning.
My hands are shaking, my mouth is dry. My thoughts are racing.
Huh?
Look at the light.
Oh yeah. The morning sun melts some of the snow.
Yeah, I can see clearly now the snow is gone. Well, not really gone. It's about as tall as me. And if you know how tall I am, that's very impressive. So as tall as the tree, the mailbox, the trash cans, the car. There's a car under there somewhere.
Yeah.
And my sunglasses are in the car. I want to get to my sunglasses, so first thing is remove the snow from the car like this with the little brush tool. And once I can open the door, I can get my sunglasses. But I want to get all the snow away from the door so it doesn't fall into the car when I open the door.
Yeah. And you shoveled a long time last night, right?
Yeah, a lot of work last night. My
Yeah.
neighbor helped with his snowblower machine too.
All right.
But we still didn't finish it because it got dark. So we still can't get out of the driveway, but today we will. All right, now my wife is trying to shovel snow. Let's see how she does. Okay, pretty good. Yep, you got it up on the snowbank. Look at that, she's just like a snowblower. She's just like that machine over there. Wow, good for you.
Just follow that.
Yeah.
The neighbor offered.
No, it wastes gasoline. I have my own potential energy that I can convert into kinetic energy.
Just follow it.
No, I'm stubborn. I'm an old, stubborn New England man with a shovel. Like the old guy in Home Alone with the shovel that Kevin McAllister is afraid of at first, but then realizes, oh, he's not that scary. He's a nice guy after all. Oh, that was a good one. Making snow fireworks. Okay, her back is sore. It didn't take long. Back and arms are sore. Now you know my life. Oh no, she's never gonna get that off the ground. Nope. Oh, you almost did it. Okay, don't hurt yourself. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. Uh-huh. All right, that's enough. Good one. Good effort. A for effort. D minus for productivity. But Malaysian women don't shovel snow. I should have known that when I signed the marriage certificate, so I gotta do it all myself.
What is he trying to do?
Trying to get to the dryer vent so he can do laundry, because the dryer vent is close to the ground and it releases the hot air from the clothes that are drying, but it's buried with snow, so all the air will get stuck. He can't run the dryer.
You know, we are considered younger, but it's so tiring to shovel the snow. Can you imagine our neighbor, 92 years old?
Just turned 91.
91?
Yeah,
Yeah.
91 years old, still lives on his own, tries to shovel his own snow, but the neighbors all pitch in and help him out so that he doesn't have to shovel it and have a heart attack. So he's a nice guy, very friendly guy, but he's a overly ambitious guy. He wants to do everything himself still, even though he's 91.
You know, it makes me think about life.
Yeah.
Is that the life you choose?
Doesn't want the retirement home lifestyle. Wants to be independent, hardworking. New England attributes.
This 边还有一辆埋在雪里面。